There are three things that everybody needs on a consistent basis, and that is food, clothing, and shelter. Now, they all have one common denominator, and that's the word income. So, in other words, as long as a person is able to generate some type of income, they will always be able to provide these three things for their family. Now, what determines your income is you being able to work. So that means as long as you're able to actively go to work, you will always have money to be able to do these three things. Now, here's one thing that is guaranteed. At some point in time in your life, you will no longer be able to actively go to work due to two primary reasons. Number one, due to death, meaning you passed away unexpectedly or due to old age, or number two, due to illness, meaning you have some type of critical, terminal, or chronic illness, so you can no longer actively go to work. When that happens, that means you can no longer generate income, which instantly impacts your ability to provide these three things for your family, especially if you have young kids. Now, what you can do is to make sure that while you are still healthy, get what we call IR, income replacement, also known as life insurance, but not just any type of life insurance, the one with living benefits. Now, here's what you need to understand. With income replacement, you can get up to 10 times your annual income. So if you're earning $100,000 a year, you can get up to 10x, which is $1 million in coverage to replace your income. So here's what that means. If you passed away too soon, your income instantly stops, but the income replacement kicks in and puts your family in a position where they don't have to want for anything because now this is working for you when you stop working. Number two, if you become sick and you can no longer go to work for whatever reason, you stop working, but the income replacement kicks in, and now you can access from this million to now work for you and your family because you can no longer work for money. Now, here's what you got to understand. You can only qualify for this while you're still healthy. So if you want to know how this can possibly be set up for you and your family, comment the word protection, and I got you.